like sliding over. He's sliding.
Caitlin.
Oh, his cousins get older.
No, those are Tyler. What? Caitlin.
Should be talking about all the times he won.
Look at the tire. Is it broken? Okay. You can still take it. You can still take it. I don't want a broken one.
I can't get it out!
You need help?
Uncle Barney, I can't get it out! I tried too!
I don't know if Uncle Jason can reach that high.
A blue one is. I need a blue
Who
one.
saw the blue one?
Me!
Hey!
Who saw the whatever color one?
And me. The light!
Oh.
Hurry up!
Look at
You're
that.
wasting my time!
You're wasting my time.
Uncle!
Good boy.
You're wasting my time, man.
He grabbed it. Go, bud. Keep looking.
Oh, there you go.
That's correct.
Well, you
So
can have
get it.
cracked
We
ones.
can pick it up.
Yeah.
The one
You don't want that to be there till next year, do you? Uh-oh. Did you find them? Look at all those you got, man.
Any mail? Yep. I got the mail. I got the mail up here.
How'd they end up at the neighbor's house? Oh, look at that.
Daniel, give me your basket. Daniel, put your basket right here. Watch, so you can run and go get them. See what Tyler's doing. Run and go get them and then set them in the basket. Go. Find them. So funny.
In the car. That's a long way to run with just 2 eggs, man.
Look all around, bud.
Daniel missed.
Someone right there.
Daniel missed one on Grandpa's car.
Uh-oh.
Grandpa's gonna drive home with it.
I guess so.
I already got in your car.
Did you?
Yeah, I saw it right there.
They hit that other one pretty good, I guess, huh? 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 Huh?
Right by you. No. Look in the rock. Look in the rock. Look at Grandpa's foot. Where's Grandpa's foot? Look all through the rocks. Put your egg up so you can find more. Oh, Caitlin found one in the rock.
Oh, look at that. Look at how many Caitlin's got.
Good, now you hold these for fighting. Caitlin, come here.
Dad, can you get that one for me? Can someone get that?
Yeah.
We'll bring Jason over to get it.
Yeah.
I don't see it.
Well, babe,
I forgot it.
Oh man, it's way up there.
I've got one. Here, Kaylee.
Whose driveway?
I think there's one in this driveway. Kaylee, go find the other one.
How many did you get, Logan? Oh, you got a bunch. Look at that.
Look high. Go behind it. Look up. Behind it. Look up. Look up, Caitlin. What did you do? Okay. All right, let's go down this way. Gonna go find some more. Okay, come on.
I think see this one.
This one. Oh, that one sounds cool.
Yeah.
Sounds like a rock.
Think it's full of rocks?
No.
You found one there? Oh, maybe there's some back here.
No more.
You think they're all done?
Yep.
Go that way.
Did you?
No more back there.
I took them all.
Daniel, go look on the boat.
Oh, Tyler already did that.
All of
Oh,
them?
I took
all of
them all. Yeah, the 200.
There's 6 on that boat.
Oh, no, I took all of them.
No, you didn't get all of them. There's something hidden on that boat. Good.
I want them to. There's a purple one.
No, I didn't see you that way.
There's a purple one on there. There's a purple one on there.
Keep looking around the boat.
Oh, I can't get up there.
Get down. Get down.
Where do I get up there at? Where do I get up there at?
No, you're not getting on the boat.
I know there's 2 more on the red truck.
On the red truck, there's
on the
2
red
more?
truck? There's 2 more.
I found one of them.
What about the exercise?
How about this?
There you go.
Where did I put my
Can you get it?
There's 2 more.
They're stuck in that driveway. Mom, let's get them. It's not for you to find.
He's already spotted it. He's trying to figure out a way to get it.
Caitlin,
I got mine.
Did you get it?
You got mine.
you got
Perfect.
yours? Get this one.
You're almost there. Grab it.
Pull it up. Good. I don't want that thing.
All right.
Very good. Go put it in your egg basket. It's okay. Go put it right over here, right against the wall.
There's no more out there.
You think that's it?
I don't think so. I told you
We'll
I
have
was
to
going
go
to
count.
get a lot. I'm going to check on the other
See if
side.
they-
Hannah, what happened to all your eggs?
Hey, right here.
Did you guys
Huh?
find the
Do you
one
eat
that
'em?
was in the driveway over there, Corey?
Yeah.
Oh, there's still one missing over here.
Hannah, come here. Oh, I see one in the neighbor's. Here. You kind of have to stand over here to see it, though, guys.
Whoa.
In the tree? The green one in the tree. Hannah, come here. Look up at the neighbor's yard. Hannah, come here. It's kind of in our yard, but their yard.
Huh.
You passed it.
Uh-oh.
Right there.
Holy moly.
There it is. Oops. Uncle Wade caught it, huh?